All right, good morning, boys and girls. Uh, as you can see, we are running a little late into the game today because we have I had a show last night, and yeah, got home really, really late, offloading gear and whatnot, and now um, just prepping my morning here, trying to get my wits about me. In any event, we have um, we have market open now, and probably just as well because what's interesting here. Oh, gold. Oh, that's funny. Gold is down, by the way, guys. I had that set. We were looking at gold the other last night with my guys in the band. Okay, that looks more natural. All right. So we're already in the game here. Looks like we've had our little bit of market manipulation down below London lows. Clearly, we're in a downtrend here. So now that we've tagged London lows, we haven't quite got down to these lows here, but it looks like we're already rebounding back. Bunch of up candles, so it's not like there was a whole lot that I would have done with this anyway, other than be a Jaffo. Um, so what we are going to do is just clean up our charts here real quick. Get ourselves a nice clean look at what the day looks like. Looks like all of these. Okay, I'm going to redo this. We're just going to let things go for right now. I think we are there. I don't think there's a move I'm going to miss at this point. And if I do, then so be it. We're in the 5 minute right now on this, and it's let me see. If I go the 5 minute here, yeah, there's nothing I can do without a pullback at this point anyway. So, um, not gonna fret. This is probably for the best because y'all just would have been watching me watch the charts and talk a little bit about what I'm talking about now anyway. So, in this moment, we are going to, excuse me, we are going to clear these, clean them up. So it looks like we had quite a dramatic drop yesterday during the day when it comes to this downtrend we were running into. Pretty aggressive. Um, I mean, this was all of yesterday's trades, and look at this final drop in the final day. So that obviously had a lot to do with that news, because we can see here that happened. That happened right at 2 o'clock when the news came out. And then right afterwards, you can see things dropping quite dramatically. So clearly, the market reacted to the news negatively, put us in a very steep downtrend. All right, we're starting to see a pullback here a little bit, so we'll start assessing. Um, but yeah, it looks like we might be trying to push back up at this point. So we'll be looking at some now that we've got this down, we've got the trend manipulating coming up. So this is that might have been a good move right there. We'll see if there's another move. Just come down, break of structure, and a move up. So yeah, there was some profit to take there, but I'm sure there's going to be another move. So let me just finish getting this marked out so we can stay consistent with our process and just see if we've got anything more that we can do here. Yeah, this is also going to give me a really good idea of how market liquidity is looking. I mean, clearly we've got some high liquidity here. We've got some low time frame areas of liquidity up here, right here, London highs. Yeah, London highs is a pretty strong area too because it matches with some Asian areas. Asian highs, we have some areas way up here. We'll see if we even get close to that. But for now, we're just going to get back to business here. Okay. And even though London lows have already been swept, I'm still going to mark them out for today. For me, it makes a good mental marker of where the day is. I'm going to go to the 1 hour real quick as well. And I believe we have a place we can mark that out. Yes, we do. Right here. So this will be an important marker as well. And on this one, yes, right there. What about right there? Okay. So let's go back to our 5 minute real quick and see if we have a setup. Which we do not. We do not have a setup on that just yet. Okay. We are going to start looking though because we have a break of structure. Now we might have a trade. Let me change up my ooh, there we go. Let me change from paper here. What am I gonna lock into today? All right. Let's trade on the qualifying account first. I think I got into that one a little late, but we do have the break of structure. So I might even go another contract on this. And I think I'll just have my target just up here. I think that's all I'm going to do. Okay, so that's that. I really should plan for higher, but I think that's going to be all I'm going to want to go. I don't think I can go much higher with that one. Doji candle. Not particularly reassuring, but still in an uptrend here on the 5-minute. Oh wait, I'm on the 1-minute here, so that's okay. Yeah, that's fine. See what the 5-minute looks like. Yeah, 5 minutes strong. That was a good move right there. So there was definitely indications that he could have done well, and we got an area of liquidity here that we're just hiding out at. So we're really just targeting this next area of liquidity, which it looks like it's taking its time. I got to be careful not to get to my max loss for the day. Man, I'm at my max loss for the day. Ooh, easy, easy. If this dips down much more, I'm going to be in a tough way. I'm going to have to full port this thing. Might have gotten impulsively in too quick here. I might have to full port this. Because if I'm going to lose out, might as well just, let's full port it. Nope, order rejected. Okay, all right. Well, that blew that account. Well, all right, we're going to switch accounts. That was, oh, wait a minute. I have to log out and then log back in. Order rejected. Oh, it's because I can't buy 3. There we go. There we go. Well, if this closes below, which it did. Oh, man. All right. Well, I had the right idea. I think I just oversized myself on that last account. which I consequently blew, by the way. So that's 2 accounts in 2 days. All right, let's just work with this one. Hopefully we're going to be able to not see this reverse. Let's take a look at this in the 5-minute. Let's see if I can outlast this move here. I feel really nervous about it, to tell you the truth. We might be seeing a move downward right now. I might be out. This one's more important because this is my funded account, so I'm not really feeling good about where we're at right now. I think we're going to keep dumping down. I might have to be out of this position. It just keeps teasing with that low. Yep. Okay, I'm out. All right, 2 losses on today. This isn't, don't need to take a chance on this. So, still got some profit in there. Today was a losing day on both accounts. Yeah, I got started late. Okay. Yeah, those were not smart trades. We're clearly starting to reverse here. Break of structure on the 1-minute. So, the very least, we'd be coming down into these fair value gaps. I just don't have enough resilience to withstand downturns. These things have to pretty much be immediate upturns in order to work. And I just got in trying to ride the wave as opposed to really monitoring where my entry was. So, yeah, paid the price. Blown account and another $400 down on my funded account. Yeah, see, and there it goes. There it goes right towards my profit now. That's great. Should I do this? Let it pull back a little? I'm going to. I mean, I'm seeing it break structure. There we go. Okay, well, I made some back on that. So the loss is a lot less. Wow. I see the area I want to get to. Do I dare? No, I don't dare. I mean, profit target's right here, but I'm already out of the trade, so. Okay, well, I'm only down $91 on the day today. So given that I've blown an account and then I took a chance on that and wrote it, see, smart move. I would have been stopped out. I'd have given everything back. I mean, we can play the equilibrium game on the 1 minute, see what the 5 minute looks like. So pretty much the pop has given everything back. But we did not break structure, so this would be another good scalp to ride north if you dare. Let's see what would have happened. If you took the trade right now, well, let's do this. Let's take it on paper. Let's switch to paper. Since we're playing around here. I've been slowly building this account back on experimental trades. Okay. We'll move that take profit right up here to highs. We can move our loss right down here. So about a 1-to-1. This one came down almost to this level where we seem to have a little resistance, a little liquidity. This one's been slowly moving up, did not come down as far. So this is clearly the stronger, right now, the stronger indice. All right, so we got a dump now. So, all right, so that was smart not to take that trade. You counter position people. Looks like we're going to get a, yeah. Well, I don't know. This is a bullish SMT. Look over here on SMT, or I mean SMT. If you look over here on the S&P, we came down, dropped lower, came down, didn't drop as low. Now, granted, it's an uptrend still, so does that really count? Yeah, probably not as an official SMT per se. All right, so maybe I will get stopped out now after all this is starting to tank. Hey, lady.
Are you recording?
I am.
Oh. Here, I'll pause it.
Blow off the thing. Okay.
All right, so looks like it's heading down. We're going to get stopped out. So all right, so there you go. Bad trade. We're about to break structure to the downside. We already have on S&P. We're about to on NASDAQ. So once NASDAQ follows, matter of fact, if we do get stopped out there, okay. Now here though, I think I want to take this. Oh. There we go. Are we respecting that gap? Did I miss something here? We probably have an equilibrium play here. Yep, that's what that is. A 5 minute will tell you. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna get out of this. I think we have an equilibrium play. And if we close this candle above and break structure to the upside, then this is a buy. We're also respecting that candle, or respecting that gap. Okay, we just broke the gap. But, okay. Are we on an equilibrium play here? No, that's our most recent high. why do I think that this thing is going to move up? Thing is I have to wait for, well, I got a fair value gap right here on the 1 minute, and we've got, all right, so we've inversed this fair value gap, but we're at equilibrium. So, you know, which one holds more strength, holds more? You got two confluences that are arguing with each other. So it's almost like they're canceling each other out. So we just got to wait for another one. If we begin pushing back up, maybe break this fair value gap, I think I'm going to get in on. We're just going to watch it. I mean, one argument would be that we've had that break of structure moving on there, but I'm looking at the, excuse me, the equilibrium game here. See, we're only in a downtrend on the 1 minute. We're not in a downtrend on the 5. We're at equilibrium right now. God, I'm really feeling a buy signal here. Wait it out. I think this little fair value gap would be my best shot at thinking that we're moving up, moving back up, because we could still be looking at moving down. I mean, we've broken that fair value gap barely. So, you know, this could be a further head downward. Yeah, there's nowhere to get in just yet. Right now it's just bouncing around. Challenging two different fair value gaps right now. This very well just could be a just a little sideways move before dumping further. I mean, we're getting a bullish SMT here. So we're down here at liquidity. So anybody taking a short using this as their area, then they're good. Okay, there's that dump. Okay. All right, hard move south. This is just going to keep coming down. I think we had a little manipulation here. This was our liquidity sweep up here. don't know why. I mean, maybe this area, not a lot. Maybe hit equilibrium on, there. I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know, boys and girls, because I'm not an experienced trader yet. I've got some experiences. Okay. If we're doing our old steeple analysis, this is destined to come back down here. How long it takes it to do it's another thing. There's no confluences giving me confidence it's going to keep going other than just a gut instinct based on some stuff I've seen before. So that is not good enough, boys and girls, to trade on, because when you do that, you're pretty much just throwing your money on the gambling table and taking a bet. So we're just going to watch it do what we think it's going to do without any confluences as to confirm our ability to take a smart trade on it. I'll go back to paper and take the trade. Why did I take a long? Because we broke structure to the upside. That's a crazy candle. So the question is, how can I take good instinctual trades on paper and they tend to work out, and not with the real account? Well, I say not with the real account. I have, because we've got profit. I've actually taken cash out. Well, hmm. So what I'm observing here is that same phenomenon I've seen over and over and over again, which is this Eiffel Tower steeple. I keep talking about this. I've seen this so many times now. You get this quick steep move up, and then you get a quick steep move down. You see that here. You see that here. Down. This one's down and up. Down and up. Up and down. Down and up. On a longer scale, we had this up. Normally we'd be seeing this down. Here's where it didn't happen. But it did eventually come down here. But then a really sharp move, and then a really sharp move. At least partial anyway. Good opportunity for a scalp. Here's a sharp move down. We might see a sharp move up. Let's go to the 5 minutes, see if we see that. Sharp move up. And then we had our move down over here on S&P, or on ES, however. Yeah, the S&P. Right there. Sharp move up. Oh, excuse me. Sharp move up, sharp move down. Interesting. Sharp move back up. Wow. All right, we're getting on about an hour here, and I don't see anything new forming that I want to get into. So we're going to call it for the day because I've also got some appointments and other things I need to get going on. So hopefully you all have traded well and found good good entries and have made some profit today. And if not, well, hopefully you're still solvent enough that tomorrow's another day and you can keep trading, moving forward, and pursuing those dreams of yours. Stay true to yourselves, guys. Stay disciplined and stay focused. And trade well, trade happy. We will see you all tomorrow. Bye.